Hey preppers, welcome to Always Be Ready, USA. Today, we're diving into the wild world of prepping. We're talking about how a new prepper can best spend their first $1,200. Why not $1,000? Inflation is hitting everyone hard, so we're adjusting to make sure you're truly prepared. Think of it as packing the right gear for a challenging expedition. We'll focus on how to shelter in place for about a month, covering food, water, and power. Whether you've got some savings or a tax refund, this video will help you prioritize. Let's get started. First things first, we need to fuel the machine. We're dedicating about $150 to building a shelf-stable food stockpile. Fancy freeze-dried meals will deplete your resources fast. We're aiming for efficiency and longevity with staples like dried beans, rice, oats, and lentils. Add cooking oil, salt, sugar, and canned goods with protein, like chicken or tuna. These items are built to last, easy to store, and packed with nutrients. Canned soups and stews are convenient and a great source of protein and carbs. This is about more than just filling your stomach. It's about keeping your mind sharp and your energy levels up. A well-nourished body is a resilient body. In the wild, finding a clean water source can be the difference between life and death. The same principle applies to prepping. We need to secure our water supply. We're allocating about $75 for this crucial task. Your mission: acquire 3 7-gallon water containers. These usually cost about $25 each and are worth their weight in gold when clean water is scarce. They're portable too, which is essential if you need to relocate. With 21 gallons, you're covered for 3 weeks for one person, based on the 1 gallon per day rule. If you've got a larger family or you're in a hotter climate, you'll need to adjust accordingly. It's not just about staying hydrated, it's about cooking, cleaning, and hygiene. Having a secure water supply is non-negotiable. Finding water is one thing, but ensuring it's safe to drink is another challenge. That's where water filtration comes in. We're setting aside $70 for this vital step. You'll need a water filter, a food-grade bucket, and a spigot kit. This simple setup will remove bacteria, protozoa, and sediments, ensuring you have access to clean, safe drinking water. A simple pre-filter, like a piece of cloth, can catch larger particles and extend the life of your main filter. If you're in an agricultural area, consider adding an activated charcoal stage to your filter. Clean water is the foundation of survival. You've got your food and water sorted, but you'll need a way to cook it. Enter the portable butane stove, your new best friend. For around $20, you can get one of these lifesavers. Grab about 10 cans of butane as well, costing about $4 each. This setup is compact, easy to use, and safe for indoor use with proper ventilation. Always crack a window when using a butane stove indoors, and have a battery-operated carbon monoxide detector on hand. With your trusty butane stove, you can boil water, cook rice, or simmer a hearty stew. It's like having a miniature kitchen at your fingertips. While a butane stove is great for short-term needs, for more sustainable cooking, we need to up our game. That's where the rocket stove comes in. We're allocating around $50 for a good quality rocket stove like 22-inch camping rocket stove. It uses natural materials like wood for fuel, making it incredibly reliable when gas or electricity is out of the question. You can cook large meals, boil water for a crowd, and it's built to last. Think of it as building a fire pit in the wild, but with a level of efficiency and durability that a makeshift setup can't match. Once you master it, you'll be cooking like a pro, no matter the circumstances. In today's world, we rely on electricity for almost everything. But when the grid goes down, you need a backup plan. That's where a reliable power source comes in. We're talking about a small solar generator with panels, which you can often find on sale for around $200 to $500. With your solar generator, you can power lights, charge your phone, even run small appliances like a fan or radio. It's about more than convenience. It's about staying connected, informed, and in control. Solar power is clean, sustainable, and eliminates the need for fuel storage. If you prefer a gas-powered generator, you can find one for a similar price. But remember to factor in the cost and logistics of fuel storage. Choose the option that best suits your needs, and remember, power equals preparedness. Having a power source is essential, but you'll need a way to harness that energy for your smaller devices. We're talking about rechargeable batteries, those little powerhouses that keep our essential gadgets running. Set aside about $50 for a set of rechargeable batteries, along with a charger. These batteries will keep your flashlights beaming, your radios tuned in, and other essential devices powered up. With your solar generator, you can easily keep these batteries charged and ready to go. Rechargeable batteries are a simple but effective way to ensure you're never without power for your most critical devices. In a survival situation, your safety and the safety of your loved ones is paramount. If you don't own a firearm and have been considering it, this might be the time to invest. A reliable handgun, a shotgun, or basic rifle, along with ammunition, will cost you around $400 to $700. It's a significant portion of your budget, but it's also an investment in your security. Keep in mind that owning a firearm comes with responsibilities, including training and maintenance. Assess your situation, do your research, and make an informed decision. We spent a little over $1,000. In a crisis, the right tools can be invaluable. With whatever budget you have remaining, focus on acquiring a few essential tools and EDC, or everyday carry items. A good quality folding knife, a multi-tool, and a durable flashlight are at the top of the list. For more heavy-duty tasks, consider basic hand tools like a hammer, screwdrivers, and a handsaw. Don't forget about the versatility of tarps, buckets, and storage totes. These are multi-purpose essentials that can be used for shelter, water collection, storage, you name it. An emergency radio with hand crank or solar charging capabilities will keep you informed during power outages. Here is a little pro tip for you. Before buying any of these, inventory what you already have in your house, garage, or storage. You'll be surprised how much you already have, and this will save you a significant amount of money. When it comes to prepping, it's easy to focus on the big-ticket items, but it's often the smaller things that can make a world of difference in your comfort and well-being. Stock up on essentials like toilet paper, soap, trash bags, and disinfectants. And don't forget about insect repellent, rodent traps, and duct tape. Disposable plates and utensils can be a lifesaver when water is scarce. Minimizing cleanup and papers are good fire starters. Remember, this $1,200 prepping guide is a blueprint, a starting point for your journey into preparedness. Adapt it to your own circumstances, your environment, and your needs. The goal isn't to be overwhelmed, but to be empowered. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more prepping tips and survival strategies. Until next time, stay prepared, everyone.